Alright, welcome back. I am going to try to post videos for last week and this week tonight. The first video is going to be on adding fractions with unlike denominators. So if you look at our example, 4 6 plus 7 12, we have unlike denominators. The denominator is the number on the bottom. We have a 6 and a 12. In 4th grade, you were taught to list all the common factors. Multiples of 6 and 12 to find the common. So you go 1 times 6 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, times 3 is 18, times 4 is 24, times 5 is 30, and then you would come again and you would do 12 times 1 is 12, 24, 36, 48. And you would find the smallest number that they had in common. So, in this case, they both have 12 and they both have 24, but 12 is the smallest. And so you would use 12 to solve your problem. So I'm going to show you that way, and then I'm going to show you the way that I did it in class. So, we put 12 on the bottom here and 12 on the bottom here, put our plus sign. So now I count how many spaces. 1, 2. And I had to go 2 spaces to get to 12. So I'm going to multiply this 4 by 2 and get 8. Now for this 12, we went 1 spot. So we multiply this by 1, and that becomes a 7. And then we get 15 twelfths. And then we divide 12 into 15 because 15 is larger. So you get 12 into 15. It goes 1 time. And 1 times 12 is 12, and then when you subtract, you get 3. So then remember, you read it in a circle, kind of like this. So then we get 1 and 3 twelfths, but it can be reduced because both of these numbers are divided by 3, which gives us 1 and 1/4. Now, that's the way that you did it in 4th grade. There's nothing wrong with that way at all. But sometimes if you don't know your multiplication facts that well, when you're trying to do this way, you tend to mess up. So the way that I showed you in class was to simply just multiply the bottom numbers. So I'm going to draw a box, because that's method 1. So here I would go 6 times 12. And we know that 6 times 12 is 72. So I'm going to put 72 over here and 72 over here. And so to get that, we cross multiply. 4 times 12 is 48. And then we cross multiply. 6 times 7 is 42. So when we put those together, we get 90 over 72. Now once again, we're going to divide 72 into 90. It goes 1 time. So when we subtract, we have to borrow. That becomes 18. So then we get 1 and 18 over 72. Now we play the 10, 5, 2, 3 rule. So we know they both don't end in 0. So it can't be 10. They don't end in a 5 and a 0. So it can't be 5, but it can be 2. And so then divided by 2, I get 1 and 9, 36. So now I'll go back to my rule, which is 10 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, 2 doesn't work, but 3 will work. So then divided by 3, we get 1 and 3 twelfths. And then we go back again. 10 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, 2 doesn't work, but 3 works one more time, and you get 1 and 1/4. And that's the same answer that we got here. It's just a matter of if you like doing factor trees or if you like doing simplifying at the ends. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!